the video, and I didn't video anything, but I just picked up the paper. I didn't see any deer this morning. It's not particularly sunny, a little cool. We're gonna finish the well, the next phase of the decoration. She wants her white light tree up, the one that's made out of strings of light. It's not too hard to put up, but I've got to run an extension cord over there to power it. That's probably the hardest part. And I guess I need to charge my unicycle. The rest of this stuff over here, I was thinking about moving that white thing to the end of the house down there above Panther's little platform. I don't know.
It's not windy out here this morning. That's an improvement over yesterday morning. It is cloudy and in the 40s though. But it's not windy. I like it. I think we're going to go for our walk today. I'm not feeling super motivated for walking right now. I have all these things I want to do around the house. But I do suspect we'll go. We need it. The leftovers in the refrigerator are almost gone. Almost. One more meal tonight, which has been it's always really helpful over decorating post-Thanksgiving weekend to have the leftovers so that I don't have to worry about cooking. It just takes me like 10 or 15 minutes to heat something up, and then I can get right back to whatever it is I think I'm supposed to be doing or want to be doing. I'm noticing this tree's got a little color now. It's added some pinks into the leaves. So that's nice. And you can see this pretty tree over here too. Hi, cute boy. Hi. Yep, you just roll over or throw yourself over and put up your stomach. Yeah, very pretty. Yeah, I think I can finish putting away Thanksgiving and getting out my Christmas Anna Lee elf dolls and stuff today. Shouldn't be a problem as far as, you know. It's a little less to do today than yesterday is what I'm saying. So that's all. That's all good. Dawn's been out and done the morning adjustment on the inflatables, and as long as it doesn't get super windy, we're good for today. Hey, sweet boy, good morning. You've got your Christmas front door rug. The owls are keeping you company. Hi. Hello. And put out the snowflake too. Will we see a snowflake this year? It's anyone's guess. Hey, Gray. How are you this morning? So my sweet girl. I got a chicken in the pot. You'll have fresh chicken later. It's 50, feels like 47, and we're back at it today. Doing what needs to be done. Yeah. Got Don pointing his toes now. We're back from our walk, and additional transformation is in progress. Don found my elf feet under the house while he was pulling out stuff for what he's doing. So I've put them up, and he helped me with the heavy dirt and the rocks and getting these to, doesn't he look all festive over there working in his warm holiday gear? It's not very warm today. And I know they don't match, but I'm good with eclectic, so I'm good with thrift store and I'm good with eclectic. I don't have to match. We picked up this little gnome last night at Walmart for this pink thing I had picked up at Guardian Angel, and I have to say it's perfect. So I've got my little Christmas Village stuff scattered about now also. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
He's got his ears in, his podcast.
I'm not listening, I'm just
concentrating. Gotcha. I pulled out the rest of the reindeer. I'll have to get the stuff that attaches them and sort that out later. I left that in the box for now. The Lefton Village is out. I've got to get 2 single plugs. The vintage Christmas trees and Santa are up top. I'm fixing to put snow babies on this table.
Hey, how's my girl?
I'm good. I'm making good progress inside. Looks like you are outside.
Yeah. This I'm gonna put this up.
You been up at the street?
Yeah, got lights up at the street.
Yay, my solar lights are going. Woohoo!
That's right. I think you're gonna like it just fine, sweetheart.
Oh, I know I am. I appreciate you working hard to make the outside look good.
You bet.
You can tell Panther's body language is not good. He's scared. He doesn't understand Don being down there, but he's not freaked out, so hopefully he'll calm down when Don's done. It's a neat effect with the bridge lights blinking on and off inside of the maple. He came out here to see this. Don says it's doing whatever it did last year, but it's switchable. So if I want it to not flash, normally I'm not super huge on flashing, we could probably figure it out. This is why Don does this, because he makes it look totally straight. Did you have your ruler out here again this year?
No, I since I was experienced, I
Okay.
kind of knew.
Looks very good, Donnie. Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Don says he's going to go push the button so he can check out the different modes. If I'd have thought about it before I came outside, I would have turned off the inside lights. Oh well. Oh, that's kind of nice. It's, oh.
Well, I'm just pushing. It's got a bunch of modes.
Okay.
I guess that's the
Solid. That's solid, I guess. Solid multicolor. That's twinkling multicolor.
yeah, but it's slower.
Slower. I like the fading one. Okay, that's like fast cut, but not. Yeah, I might like this one. Let's see. I kind of like fade. So that's fade to red and yellow. Now if it'll just fade to blue and green or multicolor. Okay, so there's blue and green. Now is it going to do back to red and yellow or the multicolor? Because it has, I guess it's got 4 different colors.
Yeah.
It should be fading. Fade, fade, fade. There it goes, fading. Now if it does oh, it's back to... So there was one at the very beginning, so press it again. Yeah, don't like that one. The next one. I might like this one. That's all the colors.
Yeah,
And it just fades. Let's see what else it fades to, though. Don picked twinkling. So it's not, you know. Or maybe that's demo mode because it went to faster now. One of the ones probably goes through all of the different things it does. That's what this one is. Just leave it in demo. Since I can't make up my mind, we might as well have it do all of the things through a long sequence of switching. The little white tree that we had in the front yard before this one, that's what it would, you know, its entire life was in demo mode. Now the Lefton Village is all lit up properly and the snow babies. And my favorite black kitty? Don't tell Midnight, no. Since I said that and you're both here, it could be both, right? Hi, Sweet Pea. I did get the Annalise in the curio cabinet. They go all the way to the bottom. And I have my little Christmas Japanese 70s vintage figurines, and they're going to go up on this shelf. But I told Don I'm not asking for help with that tonight. We could do that tomorrow. Last night for leftovers. I'm going to work on the train while it finishes reheating. I'm looking forward to Biltmore Christmas coming on Hallmark here in a bit, but got to let it queue up so no commercials, and I'm going to put together the winter market stall minus the very funky looking red and green stockings. Well, I'm not going to be able to finish the market stall because my box had all of the bag 1 bags duplicated and no bag 2 bags. So I have 2 extra minifigures and the bottom half of a second stall and no bricks to build the top stall. I haven't looked at what it would take. I mean, I could probably come up with the bricks, but I'm sure if I call Lego, they'll just send me a replacement. So that's what I'm going to do.